everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on my parents. My parents are the most special people in my life. They love and care for me every day. My mom is very kind and always helps me with my homework. My dad is strong and teaches me new things. They both work hard to make sure I am happy and healthy. My parents play fun games with me and tell me great stories. They always support me in everything I do. We go on fun family trips together. My parents teach me good manners and how to be kind to others. I love my parents very much and I am grateful for everything they do for me. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.